Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you Kala Chana snack. It's very easy to make. I took 1 cup Kala Chana, soaked in cold water and left it overnight. They are double in size, so we're going to drain the water. So this is how it looks. It's very simple and very easy and quick recipe. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon, spices for my masala dabba. So please check it out the description below for the ingredient list. And let's get started. We're going to get the fry pan and we're going to start gas. And we're going to keep a gas on high. Bring Kala Chana into fry pan. You don't need to dry them off. Drain the water and that's all we need. On high flame, we're going to cook it until there is no more moisture. Cooking for 3 minutes on a high gas. As we can see, our Kala Chanas are dried. We're going to bring the gas now on medium low, which is number 3. I'll bring olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix it well. Once all the Kala Chana is nicely coated with olive oil, I'm going to cover with the lid and on a medium-low flame, we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. Cooking for 5 minutes on medium-low flame, we're going to open it. Mix it. After mixing it, we're going to cover it again and we're going to cook additional 5 minutes. Cooking for altogether 10 minutes. I'm going to use the spices, black pepper, cilantro, 1 teaspoon each, ginger powder, garlic powder, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, salt, half teaspoon each. So now I'm going to open it. Mix it well. Bring all the spices. Cilantro, which is dhania, and we're going to mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined, bring the gas to low, which is simmer. We're going to cover with the lid and we're going to let it simmer another 10 minutes. Cooking on a simmer for 10 minutes. I'm going to open it, mix it. Now I'm going to bring the gas on high. We're going to cook for 1 to 2 minutes until it becomes nice, crunchy and crispier. Another minute of cooking. I'm going to bring lemon juice. Mix it well. The Kala Chana is ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready. Crunchy Kala Chana snack is ready. Each one of them is nicely cooked. It's very tasty. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.